Hello everyone, this is Himlata Beth and I welcome you to my class. Today's topic is food and water and this is the sixth chapter of our lesson. So we all know that we cannot live without food and water, isn't it? Firstly, we would discuss about food and then later on we would discuss about water. So we need food to grow big and strong. Food helps us to grow big and become strong. Okay? And food also gives us energy to work and play. To work and play, so we need food to eat. Otherwise, we will not get that much energy because we have so many work, we all love to play. That is why we need energy. So what gives us energy? Food gives us energy. But there are different types of food we should eat to gain the energy or to become grow big and be strong. So there are different types of food and we should eat all of them in the right amount. So bread, rice, roti, sugar, potatoes and butter give us energy to work and play. So you can see that these type of foods are giving us energy to work and play. That is mean they are energy giving foods. I have written energy giving foods, right? Next, milk, eggs, fish, meat and dal help us to grow. They help us to grow. These foods help us to grow and they also build up our body. They also help in gaining muscles. So they are body building foods. They build up our body. And the third type of food group is protective foods. Fruits and vegetables keep us healthy. Fruits and vegetables keep us healthy and also keep us away from any disease, any illness, any kind of sickness. Okay. So we have known about three types of food groups. What are they? Energy giving foods, body building foods and protective foods. Three types of food groups. And the examples of each type of food group is energy giving foods, butter, rice, roti, sugar, potatoes and butter. Body building foods, milk, eggs, fish, meat and dal, any kind of dal. Protective foods, fruits and vegetables, only fruits and vegetables, any kind of fruits and any kind of vegetables keep us healthy. Okay, so if I ask you to write down 5 energy giving foods, you can choose from here. If I ask you to write 5 body building foods, you can also choose from here. And if I ask you to write 5 names of protective foods, you can easily choose from the pictures any kind of fruits and any kind of vegetables you like. Okay? So, we need food to become strong and food also helps us to grow big. Food gives us energy also. And there are 3 types of food groups. The groups are energy giving foods, body building foods and protective foods. Now let's move to the next page. So it's very simple to say that we all eat food. But how many times? We eat more than 3 times, isn't it? And there are 3 big meals in a day. There are 3 big meals in a day. Okay, what are they? Number 1 is breakfast, number 2 is lunch and number 3, this is our last one, dinner at night. And in between them, we also eat some small meals. They are called snacks. They are not so big meals. They are the light meals. But breakfast, lunch and dinner are our big 3 meals in a day. Do you know? We start our day having our breakfast. So it is the first big meal of the day. The second big meal of the day is lunch in the afternoon time. And the third big meal of the day is dinner. And you know, it should not be a very heavy meal. Dinner should not be a very heavy meal. Your breakfast and lunch should be heavy, should be proper. But dinner should be proper, but should be light also, not so heavy. Okay? You know, when we start our day in the morning, we need a lot of energy to work so many tasks. So we need to have our breakfast very properly. And then in the afternoon, we need to have our lunch properly. It is the second big meal of the day. And dinner at the night. It is our last meal of the day, because after dinner we go to sleep. So we have 3 big meals in a day. If you look at the pictures, you will get the correct time to have the 3 big meals in a day. We should complete our breakfast around 8 or 9 o'clock. We should complete our lunch around 1 or 1:30 p.m. in the afternoon, and we should complete our dinner by 9 o'clock. You can see, by 9 o'clock. Okay? So we have to maintain our food time also. Then we can easily become healthy and strong. But there are, there is a balanced meal also. I taught you 3 types of food groups. What are they? Energy giving foods, protective foods, and bodybuilding foods. We need to eat the right amount of each type of food groups every day. So what is a balanced meal or balanced diet? A meal that has different kinds of food in the right amount is called a balanced meal or balanced diet. Different types of food means different types of food groups. There should be the bodybuilding foods, there should be protective foods also, and there should be energy giving foods also in our everyday meal. Okay? So you have to learn what is a balanced meal or what is a balanced diet from your book, page number 32. And you all love to eat junk foods also. You know what are they. So what do you think, they are good for your health? No, they are not good for our health. They are very tasty, delicious also, but they are not good for our health. They may cause many illness if we take them in a plenty, isn't it? So junk foods are very tasty, but they are not good for our health. So can you name some junk foods? And I know you will surely. So some junk foods from my side are burgers, pizzas, Maggi, cold drinks, chips, potato chips. They all are junk foods. Yes, we all love to eat junk foods also, as they are very tasty. So I would suggest that you may take them in a very small amount, but not regularly. Once a week. Okay? If you take them regularly or every day in a plenty, then you will become sick or ill. So we should always try to avoid eating junk foods. Okay? So today's lesson ends here. There will be a second video on the same lesson. So wait until I come with my second video. Thank you.